Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power mode because brightness controls differ on battery versus AC. Plug in to prevent dimming while you adjust. Once ready, open Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, then Power Options. Click Change Plan settings beside the plan that's active. This targets the right profile. You need to be in the plan you use to make persistent changes, and that step unlocks the display brightness slider and advanced settings you'll edit next. Once you see the plan settings, drag the brightness slider to set an immediate level. This changes the screen now, so you can judge visibility. Make sure to click Change Advanced Power Settings to open the dialog where Adaptive Brightness and Sleep Timers live. In Display, right arrow Enable Adaptive Brightness, turn it off if automatic dimming interferes. Also set separate percentages for on battery and plugged in so behavior matches your needs. This ensures consistent brightness. Save the plan settings and test by unplugging and replugging power to verify the battery and AC percentages apply as intended. If the slider is missing or you prefer quick changes, use your laptop's brightness hotkeys or the graphics driver control panel. These often override Windows defaults. If adjustments fail, update the display driver in Device Manager and restart. This commonly restores missing controls. If problems continue, try rolling back a recent driver update or reinstalling the OEM display driver as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.